4 years, and I've been divorced for a long time. Okay, so I don't divorce before I found Ifeoma, you know. So okay, so wanna just calm down, okay? Will you marry her? Until I send you Ivy first, okay? I'll send you Ivy. By the way, her name is Ivy, if you know what I mean. I don't know what I do, but shout out to all the trolls, man. Okay, shout out to all the trolls. I still love you. I still got love for you. I love you all. Let me speak like Americans. I love you all, okay? Well, I love you. Okay, I love you, okay? It doesn't matter how you feel, okay? I still love you, okay? Okay, God bless you guys, okay?
Stay love. Come and enjoy the show.
Okay? I know you know me, I know the troublemaker, but if you find my trouble,
I do you.
If you find my trouble, you see, I'm a different kind of celebrity, okay?
Yes.
Trust me, I'm different.
Because if you do me, I do you.
Man, no go best.
Yeah, so you guys should
Chop
pull
my
up.
money.
Yeah, you chop my money. Okay. No.
But allow me to go short to serious. So like I was saying, okay? I know they find trouble, I'm a different kind of celebrity. You guys know me, I don't talk much, okay? But you see, the problem is that if you try me, I will give unto you. You see, just always understand that I'm a human being. I've got feelings, I get hurt, you know? Yes, you understand what I mean? So, if you try me, the only thing to say, in fact, let me just make it clear to you guys. If you want to be a troll, make sure you find one. Find. Make sure you find. Then feel free to insult me. If you are I will give you one synthesis. Because the volatility inside me is very worsen and worser. So make sure you are beautiful, you are cute. Before you become a true. If you are I'll weaponize you to God.
So with that said, guys, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yep. So guys, when I take a minute here, it's me, Rudy. You know me now. You too like me, huh? As in this fit, you know what I'm saying, right? So, to all the trolls, I still love you. I still got love for you, okay? But remember, like I said, make sure you look cute, make sure you look beautiful, and make sure you try. If you are you know me. Shout out to all the celebrities so that I don't deal with the food. I feel talk to them anyhow. I no go reply you. I will not say anything. I will just post you and I no go tag you. So your family members will come see you. They go say, wow. Did you hear the ifeanyi? I'm different. Okay? So that's it, okay? Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Next year, we'll continue. Okay? I'm live, yeah. Okay? Why is everybody laughing? Am I a comedian? If you're fine, as I said it before, I'm not. Some of you are not getting me. I beg. Make sure you look beautiful. You're fine. Then throw me, as in hit me left and right. I'm gonna see a fine person. But now I can't notice that most of the trolls now are private. Why? Don't you love me? I want to see how beautiful you look too. Please don't be on private, okay? Let's share the love. Please, let's share the love, I beg, yeah? Thank you very much. I love you guys, okay? It's rude boy. Go and check your dictionary. Find out why they call me rude boy. I'm your different kind of celebrity, man. I do me. Okay, I do me. Okay? But I've missed you guys. Now, I've not done this for almost 6-7 months now, so it's been long I came on live, okay? So, love you. Alright? So, and the reason why I'm here again, don't forget, I said I'm giving out 50 of these P-Square concerts today at the Wonderland, okay? Now, people are telling me, they had a